Castro Street is the vibrant downtown heart of Mountain View, lined with shops, restaurants, cafes, and entertainment venues. It serves as a community gathering place and is popular for dining and social activities, reflecting the city's diverse and dynamic culture. Transportation in Mountain View is well supported by Caltrain, a commuter rail service that connects the city to San Francisco, San Jose, and other peninsula communities. The Mountain View Caltrain station is centrally located near Castro Street, providing convenient access for commuters and visitors alike. This connectivity supports the city's role as a tech and residential hub, facilitating easy transit for employees of major companies and residents. The lively Castro Street and efficient Caltrain service further enhance the city's appeal as a vibrant, accessible, and connected community.